In this video we will use a filter called Smart Portrait and will change happy, sad, angry emotions. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Hey guys, Dev here from Adobe Vive YouTube channel. Select your image. You need to connect your internet and log in with Adobe ID. Then go to Filter, Neuro Filters, and here is a filter called Smart Portrait. Okay, now let's put a smile on this face. Use happiness. Increase the slide bar. Feel free and play with these filters and slide bars. Use facial edge. Feel free and play with these filters. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vive YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on a next video soon.